Malkenton family in South Africa are home to a stock of more than 1,000 top quality show budgies at any given time. Their magnificent aviary and farm is situated just outside Pretoria. Before anyone is allowed to enter the bird room, they need to have their feet sprayed with a disinfectant, as a precaution against any person bringing in potential diseases.
Every visitor that enters our budgie room gets the soles of their shoes sprayed with F10, the super concentrated disinfectant, so we don't get bacteria and viruses in the bird room.
The bird room is a state-of-the-art, world-class facility that allows for the budgies to enjoy the natural fresh air, and they have more than enough space to regularly exercise their flight muscles. The Malkenton family are all involved to ensure that their birds at all times are properly cared for.
We brought from Germany in '93, and we had them in Germany and England and Europe, everywhere, nearly the same way.
For the Malkentons, life in South Africa as major and pioneering breeders of show budgies has been good for them. The space, the climate, and the health that they enjoy have all contributed to them taking the hobby to great new heights. Now let's look at some of the wonderful show budgies that they have bred at their world-class stud facility. The birds that they breed are sought after by budgie enthusiasts all over the world.
Got an above average amount of melanin on the bird.
What is this one?
Spangler, yellow face, gray.
Huh? Is this keeping budgies in Africa? Is this the way the Africans keep budgies?
Yes. No,
Not.
really.
Yes, no, what?
When we came here
Yeah.
to South Africa, it looks nearly everything total different to the way we do it now. But now, a lot of breeders do the same way. They go the same way now, like us.
Yeah.
Because they can see that it's a different way, a better way, and whatever, I don't know.
You can see the full and remarkable story of the Malkenton show budgies on the internationally acclaimed DVD, Show Budgies, Malkenton Stud, South Africa. This is what Gerald Binks, author of The Challenge, had to say about the DVD. It is a brilliant piece of work and awesome to watch. For more information, contact the Malkinton family in South Africa.